Hello guys, and in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to hide any folder in your Windows 10, Windows 11 or any other Windows operating system. All you have to do is to just right click on the folder that you want to hide, go to the properties and simply check this box that says hidden. Click on apply, and if a dialog box like this appears, then simply select the option apply changes to this folder only. Click on OK and then again click on OK. And you can see that the folder is hidden. Now if you want to use the folder again or simply unhide the folder, go to this PC, click on the view option and check this box that says hidden items. And here is your folder, and you can even access it while it's hidden. Now to unhide this folder, again go to the properties, uncheck this box, click on apply, select the above option, click on OK and again click on OK, and that's it.